Hey everyone. Yeah, so my name is Cedric. I'm developer advocate at Arweave. Let me share my screen. So yeah, communityXYZ is the platform where you go to create your community in the first place. As Sam mentioned, we have a few details here, but Sam mentioned pretty much all of them. So it's run on top of Arweave, so it's use the SmartWeave contracts. And you can use communityJS to interact directly from your platform or from your projects with your community. You can create a community by going here. Let me show you a little bit how it works to create a community. It's quite simple. So let me choose one of my wallets. Okay, perfect. So you have your community name. Say we will call it test. A community logo. Here you can use an Arweave transaction ID, or you can just drag and drop your logo. For now, I'm not going to add any of, because I don't have one for this. And you can see details for each of the fields that we request. A link, I'm not going to add one either. Let me add a little description. And then the token will be called ASDF. This is your token ticker. I forgot to take an address, so let me take this address. Yeah. Okay, so these are your token holders. To begin with, you can start with just one address, for example, yours, and then you can start adding others with votes inside of your community. Or you can add more holders by clicking the plus sign here and just keep adding addresses and the balances that you want each token holder to have. As I mentioned, you have here the little question mark that will help you understand what support means, quorum, vote length, minimum length, and maximum length for your community. Some of these fields can be updated when you create your community, so with a vote. But a few of them, you cannot change them. So you need to make sure that the first time you have something that makes sense for your community. If not, you will need to recreate a new community. We'll keep it like that. Yeah, at any time you can go back and just review and make sure everything looks right. You can also see here, just to make sure everything is correct before launching your community, and then you can type launch community. You can click launch community, and you need to wait it for it to be mined. A community is just like any other Arweave transaction, so it goes right onto the network and it creates your community using SmartWeave. And this is the community when you have it created. This is the dashboard of your community. So here you are able to vote and to interact with the entire community that you have just created. You have the list of your token holders, so your community members, and you can see which member have locked tokens in their vault, the balances, and pretty much everything related to the community that you created. You have the votes, so the voting platform. You can mint new tokens. You can burn Volt. Sorry, you can burn Volt. You can set different things. For example, the quorum and support, minimum log length, maximum log length. You can change the description, the URL, the community logo, the discussion links, and more. You can also set custom key values for your community that you will be using, for example, on your own project on the website when you interact with communityJS. And you have indicative votes, which are just to set a note or to say something to the community. Let's say I want to pay out someone, but before even creating the mint vote, I need to create in fact, you need to lock tokens before you are able to vote on each community. So here you are able to lock them. You are able to unlock your vaults when the time has ended. So for now, for me, I'm not able to unlock the vault, so this won't do anything. And you have also the opportunities. The opportunities is something not new, but we didn't talk about it during the OpenWeb incubator program. It was created after that, but the opportunities is the platform, the place where Sam was saying you can give away some of your tokens in exchange of work that someone will do to help out your project. So to build something new, to create a new, let's say a new web page or a new design for your page or text or anything like that. So you can go here and see all the opportunities also. Right here where on my opportunities page, I just see mine because I'm on this community itself. But you can go to the opportunities page and then you can see all the opportunities. We did a new change that the communities are able now to have their own logos and the description and all of that started this Friday. So that's why you still see a few of the opportunities here. Well, pretty much all of them that don't have logos yet, but then you will have the little logos. You can click on them and learn more about it. You can contact the creator of that opportunity if you have any questions via Weavemail, and you can also apply. So this is pretty much what communityXYZ is and how it works. After that, after you created your community, then you have your project, your website, similar to what Tate, Phil, and all of the other community members have right now. Thank you.